How to create new bookmark on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create new bookmark on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then just click here this Opera icon, and now click this one, bookmarks, and then click these 3 points here in the top corner and click create new bookmark, and here type any name you want and address of course, and select folder and then just click here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.